Here's another episode of redneck bird watching. Nothing. She's got it. She's got the cardinal. She's gonna get him. She's gonna get a shot of the cardinal, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. Welcome to another episode of redneck bird watching. She's got him. She's sneaking up on him. Will she get the shot, ladies and gentlemen?
He's right there.
Oh, he's right there. He's behind the basketball. He's right there. He's right there.
Oh, he's on the fence.
He's on the fence. Come this way. Come over here. He's on the fence. Oh, you know, just...
You're too slow.
Oh. So close. So close. Well, stay tuned for another episode of Redneck Bird. Oh, he has a sighting. He's on the ground between the two duck houses. She's in position. Aim, fire.
No flash.
Oh, big flash. Did you get him?
No, but it did all.
You could. Oh, she's going down again. Going down again, ladies and gentlemen.
You can find the other part on you can find the other part on Google cardinal head, and then you can just strap it on.
I don't know if we got the shot or not.